Today, we will be walking through the steps to apply for CNC Online. Whether it is a first-time application or a reapplication, this presentation will guide you through the process. Let's get started with the first step. Please follow along as we navigate the CNC Online Application portal. Visit the EMB website at r6.emb.gov.ph. Go to Services, then click Online Services. CNC Online, you will be directed to the next page. Under Environmental Impact Assessment Applications, click CNC. Click Verify the coverage of your project and submit CNC Application Online. Select the project type from the list and provide the total project size. Click Next and answer the 5 screening questions with yes or no based on your proposed project and its location. Review provided information and select yes. Are selected project type, proposed size, and other information indicated above correct? Click Proceed. Download the accountability statement form. Attach the following requirements in PDF format. Government-issued ID. Site development plan signed by registered professionals. Geotag photos of the project site taken within 15 days from filing. And notarized accountability statement of the proponent. Repeat steps 1 to 3. Click Update Payment or Track Status on your CNC application. Enter the application reference number. This can be found in your sworn accountability statement. Enter the needed information. Please upload clear scanned copy of the requirements using the Choose File button. Click Submit Documents for screening. Take note, submitted documents will be screened by the EMB case handler within 3 working days and will be returned with the evaluation report and for payment or processing fee. You can check the status of your application using the application reference number. Repeat steps 10 to 14. Download and review the evaluation report. Pay the corresponding fee through the Land Bank link.visa portal or over the counter at the nearest Land Bank branch for only 1,240 pesos as processing fee. Click and Browse button to select and upload the PDF copy for each of the required documents. Click Submit Documents for screening. Take note, submitted documents will be evaluated by the EMB case handler and will be subject to approval or denial, depending on whether it passes the evaluation review. Check the status of your application. If approved, you may download the approved certificate of non-coverage. Else, if denied, you will be issued a denial letter with a list of lacking documents or additional information to be complied for refiling of CNC application.